Hello, y'all. Chef Jeff is back with another video here. My old school soul food. Hey, today we're gonna be making a festive holiday recipe. It's beginning. It's almost mid-November if you're watching this video, and I'm gonna start doing some holiday videos to kind of help y'all out in your holiday and Christmas dinners. So today we're gonna be making something quick and easy, like all my recipes. I'm gonna be making in my loaf pan here, I'm gonna be making old school banana nut bread. Put a little nice dried cranberries in it, give it a little festive color there. Very simple. Recipe is in the description of the page, like at the end of the video, like always. Also, please share, like this video, give it thumbs up, and comment. I appreciate it. So let's get started. Banana nut bread. First thing I'm going to use is bananas. You actually don't have to use a mixer, but I'm doing it because it's so much easier. I'm gonna put them, and the older the bananas is better. These are kind of, close to getting old. The older the bananas, the sweeter they are. So I'm gonna mash the bananas up. I'm gonna add the butter. It's so easy, how easy this is. Add the sugar. I'm going to add the eggs and vanilla I got together there. Mix up a little. I'm going to raise it up here. Add the flour. Like I say, this is so easy. You can do this, with a hand mixer, but I'm doing it here to kind of speed up the process here. Break the bowl down here. And you can use the same base to make zucchini bread and pumpkin bread and carrot raisin bread. All kinds of bread. Same base, the recipe. Add my pecans in there. And my cranberries. And that's it. See how quick that was? That didn't take 2 minutes. Didn't even take 2 minutes this here. Take this off. Okay, I got my loaf pan here. And all you're gonna do is just pour it right into the loaf pan. So easy. That's it. That's it. We're gonna put it in the oven, 350 degrees, about 50 minutes to an hour. That's it. And we'll come back, check here in about an hour, and I'm going to show you how it come out. Alright, y'all, we back here. The bread's been cooking for about an hour here. Let's check it out here. Oh, yeah. Firm to the touch. You can stick a knife in if you want to. If the knife comes out clean, that means it's ready. But I've been cooking for so many years, I can just tell. See how golden brown and nice that is? So we're going to let it sit here about 10-15 minutes, let it cool. And I'm going to flip it out. We actually going to cut it after I flip it out. And we'll see how it looks. So nice golden brown, nice looking old school banana nut muffins. Banana nut bread. You can make banana nut muffins with it. But we'll be back. And I'm going to show you how it looks when it come out the pan. Okay, y'all, we back here. And we're going to flip this out of the pan here. It should just come right out. There we go. Put that on there. See that? Nice. It's coming right out the pan now. See that? Nice banana nut bread. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna cut a piece of this here. I like to get that edge, that end piece. That's the best part. And this is still hot, matter of fact. You see the steam. See the steam coming off of that? Still warm. That's why I like mine. Let's taste it here. Let's taste this thing. Nice, moist. Look how moist that is. You see the cranberries in there. Pecans. Not too sweet. You can eat this warm or cold, however you prefer. But yeah, this recipe is so easy. Like I say, you can use this recipe to make zucchini bread, raisin, carrot bread, blackberry, blueberry bread. It's all, you can create everything out of the base of this recipe. So, anyway, like I say, please comment, please share, give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.